I made this sardine fluffy bread on my live streaming. I also posted it on Shorts and so many were asking for the recipe. So today I'll be sharing the recipe. As you can see, it is nice, fluffy and very tasty. So let's get started. In a bowl, I went in with 1/4 cup powdered milk, 2/4 teaspoon active dry yeast and a cup of water. Mix that till well combined. You can use spatula or use a whisk. Anyone that goes well is fine. Then go in with 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix again till well combined. Now we are going to introduce our flour. I made use of 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So now we will go in with our hands, making sure that it is well combined. At this point, you will notice that this dough is becoming sticky. Please do not be tempted to add water or to even add flour. It will get better as we go. So on my board or on my work surface, I sprinkled some flour and then I started kneading. Please do not add water or flour. I went in with 1 full tablespoon of butter. You can make use of oil if you want, but if you're making use of oil, you are not going to be adding it at this point. You will add the oil during the time you are mixing your sugar, your milk and your yeast. Okay, so I prefer to use butter. Start kneading, and at this point, as you can see, it is coming together. Please do not be tempted to add any other water or flour. That is where your favorite. If you have not visited the gym for a very long time, this is a very good arm exercise. We are going to be kneading this bread until we get a very smooth and stretchy dough. Today's special hug goes to Lizzie Love, watching us from Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you like the recipe. Please let us know where you are watching from so I can send you a big hug on my next video. If you haven't liked yet, please do well to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. So in our bowl, I'm going to grease it with oil. I made use of cooking oil, and then I'm going to brush this dough to prevent dryness because we are going to cover it to improve. So after doing that, I covered it with a plastic wrap, and this dough is going to sit for at least 45 to 1 hour, and then we will continue our baking process. Stay tuned, don't go. Now I'm going to prep the filling. I use 1.5 tin of sardine. I made use of one for the filling and the other half for brushing. I went in with a fork to mash the fish. Please always remember to take out the oil in your sardine. It is not healthy. So I went in with my cooking oil because I discard the previous oil that came with it. It is not very healthy. It has so many preservatives. So here our dough has improved very well. This dough has been sitting for 1 good hour. So as you can see, it has doubled in size. Let's go ahead to cut our dough. Because I'm not making use of scale, I will use my knife, making sure that the dough is of equal size, because we are going to be making it like a bread roll. So here I'm trying to make sure that the sizes are the same. I'm making sure that they are all the same. So I picked one and I start molding it. So this is how we are going to flatten it a little bit, not too much, and then I'll go in with our fish, the fish that we prepped. So when you are doing this, you want to make sure that the dough is well covered so the fish will not come out from the inside. After that, I'm going to cover it again with our plastic wrap, and we are going to leave it for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what we have. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size again. This is our egg. I made use of 1 egg. We are going to be brushing this dough so to prevent the dryness. So here I went in with the sardine. Like I said earlier, I made use of 1.5 tin of sardine. So this is the half of the sardine. I went in to brush the dough. You know, it is sardine bread. So to that, it has to be seen before we open the inside. So my love, I baked this at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, and this is what we have. Please, this 30 to 35 minutes, it depends on your oven. If you have baked for 25 minutes, please do well to go and check. Here we have it, very fluffy, yummy sardine bread. Thank you for watching, my love, and see you all in my next video. Ciao ciao.